Alright everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So yesterday I went ahead and finished up this room, but as soon as I left, they added 2 can lights because one of the 2x2s was blocked in the ceiling. So I cut the tiles at the end of the day, and then someone finished that today because I went downstairs. But I went ahead and shut the slack wires for that room, put the light in the slack wires and everything for this room, just that one light. And then this 2x4 light inside of this kind of looks like an electrical room. Might be, might not be, I'm not sure. Alright, so I'm on my stand down right now. I'm just installing, well, I just installed a 2x2 tile with a spreader bar and a box with a 1/2-inch bushing, which is going to be for a occupancy sensor. So now I'm going to shoot a slack wire after a break right up there, tie that into the spreader bar. I'm gonna go get some wire and figure out where to pull the wire from, or where to take the wire from the occupancy sensor. And I'm assuming it's gonna go to the power pack, but I have to figure out where the power pack goes. So, but I have all that stuff on my cart, the power pack and the occupancy sensors. So first I have to pull the wire so I can put in the occupancy sensor, and then put in the power pack, tie the low voltage wire to the power pack, and then tie the power pack into power. So that is what I'm working on right now. So this is my third one. I just did the first 2, this is the third one. And then went down to the tunnel level today to help someone with some SO cords, some giant SO cords. So that was fun, break up the day for the first 3 hours, and then just been working on, I installed 2 lights just like this next door, the 2x2s again in the kitchen, and then I've just been working on these occupancy sensors. I feel like I'm missing something else, but that's what I have been working on today so far. So after I got back from the tunnel, I went ahead to this kitchen and put in these 2 lights and the occupancy sensor, box, slack wires, all that good stuff. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bro was in the emergency lane for like 2 miles. What was he doing in there? Oh my gosh. It was on the shoulder.